Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's SolidWorks tutorial, we are going to design this powerful sheet metal mounting bracket step by step using different sheet metal features like base flange, edge flange and so on. This model looks keen, professional and it's perfect for practicing real industrial sheet metal design workflow inside SolidWorks. Before I start, let's aim for 25 likes on this tutorial. So let's get started. Now we will select front plane. I'm going to use center line, vertical and make horizontal line and vertical line. Horizontal will be 30 and vertical will be 150. Okay, then select all, mirror this, go to sheet metal parameter, select base flange, we will convert this into sheet metal and the sheet thickness I'm going to use sheet metal parameter will be 2 and mid plane and 200 mm and the radius I'm going to define 3 mm. Sorry, 2 mm and OK. The next step we will cut something. So select right plane. We will remove this material, draw a sketch like this and define this sketch, this point to that point 100 mm, this point to that line 50 mm. Drag this dimension, select this point and this line, make it coincident. Still not fully defined. I'm going to use this line will be 80 mm and OK. Select extrude cut, select through all both and OK. In the next step, I'm going to assign the material. Go to metal, expand this, bronze and OK. It looks cool. Next, we will use fillet feature. The fillet radius will be 20. Select this edge, that edge and OK. Now we will use edge flange. Flange parameter will be this edge and click, this edge and click, and the flange length will be 10 mm. Material must be outside and OK. Again I'm going to use edge flange. Select this edge, click it, this edge and this edge, and the flange length will be 10 mm and material flange position outside and OK. In the next step we will remove material by using a right plane. Select right plane, draw a sketch like this as you can see on my screen, and then the dimension select this point and that point 20 mm and the length will be 80 and this length 50 and this point to the origin point 30 mm and OK. We will extrude cut through all both. Now let's apply fillet here. Two corners 20 mm. Select this edge also and that edge. OK. Again go to fillet number 2, re-edit this. The fillet parameter I am going to define 10 mm. Now it looks better. Isometric view. Go to H flange, select this edge, OK, this edge and this edge. Now the flange length I am going to define 40 mm and material must be outside. It means bending outside and OK. Select this face and draw a sketch. If you see on the right side, later I am going to re-edit this sketch, so don't worry about this portion. Follow my steps. Select this line will be 50 mm and hit the S key and OK. Extrude it through all both. Select this second square bracket, normal to draw a sketch like this. Define that horizontal distance will be 20 and the vertical will be also 20. Now make it symmetry. I am going to use a center line from this to that point, make it coincident and horizontal and make it for construction geometry. Select extrude cut. I am going to use blind and link to thickness and OK. Select this face, draw a sketch here. Draw like this. Later we will define these lines. OK, this distance will be 20 mm, this vertical line 20, and this might be error. OK, the angle is 120 degree and OK. Extrude cut, link to thickness. It will not cut properly, so what we will do, here go to extrude cut 5, uncheck. I am going to use up to vertex. Select this vertex and OK. It will remove the material smoothly. Here again go to sheet metal, H flange, select this edge and the flange length will be 40 and the angle I am going to define 60 degree. Material must be outside, bend outside and OK. Now let's mirror these features recently we have created. The center will be right plane and features. I am going to select this flange OK. Select this, cut extrude 3, cut extrude 4 and 5. We don't need fillet, we already created. Oops, it's an error. Select geometric pattern, still error. Why? I'll show you. Remove this and OK. Still get error. OK, select uncheck. Again go to mirror number 4. Select all the cut extrude. Yeah, it works. If I select cut extrude number 5, it shows rebuild error. So I have to delete because I have used a vertex. So we have to re-edit this portion. So I am going to delete this mirror feature. Again go to right plane, features. I'm going to select this Base Flange, cut extrude 4 and 5. If I select 5, it shows the vertex used to define the up to vertex end condition is not in the model. So delete this and OK. Again go to the re-edit this up to vertex. I'm going to use let's say 5 mm and OK. Now re-edit the sketch, add this cut extrude 5. It will not mirror if you use vertex feature. Now let's apply gusset for material strength and it will not bend. Select these two faces, OK, and the offset I'm going to define 0 mm. It will show the origin point, but I need at 150 mm. OK. Sorry, the offset will be 100 mm. Fine. The profile dimension will be 10 and 16 and OK. Again go to the sheet metal gusset, select this face and that face. The gusset distance will be 150 mm. The depth will be 10 mm and OK. In depth will be 50 mm. It doesn't look good, so I'm going to define 10 mm. Now fine. Again I need one more gusset. Go to sheet metal gusset, select this face and that face. The profile dimension will be 10 and the offset value will be 50 mm and OK. Now let's mirror these gussets. Go to feature, mirror. The center will be right plane. Select these 3 gusset and OK. Let's create a hole here. Select this face. Draw 2 circles here. Define the distance from this point to that point 30 mm and the whole diameter will be 20. Make it equal. Make it vertical and this point to that point the distance will be 40 mm. Hit the S key, extrude cut, select link to thickness and OK. And that's it, our SolidWorks sheet metal bracket design is finished. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned some useful sheet metal techniques along the way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more SolidWorks tutorial. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next project. If I select flatten, it will flat. It means ready for manufacturing. Send to this file, TXF file, to the sheet metal laser cutter.